Canada is in need of international domestic workers. Yes, this 2025. Are you interested to go to Canada as a cleaner, housekeeper, laundry, what is it called? Just domestic staff. You know what it means to be a domestic worker. Canada is massively recruiting an international workers that will come over to Canada and work as a cleaner, as a people that wash clothes, people that mostly in their hotel sectors. Okay, you know, one thing you need to know, because I'm not going to waste your time, I'm going to open it for you to see it yourself. One thing you need to know is that these vacancies are always available most time, but it's not always in advertisement, because people are not always interested to apply for housekeeping. I mean, people who are already in Canada. Of course, you cannot be in Canada where you have a lot of options and you want to go and apply as a housekeeper. So jobs like that are always available and people are not filling it up. So this time around, Canada has announced that they want to recruit from abroad. So if you're interested to relocate, because yes, in their website they mentioned that they are going to give you and your dependents permanent residence, but then there are some requirements you need to meet, and there are some agreements, of course, written agreements. Which one of them, I'm going to open it for you to see, but let me just explain a little more further. One of the requirements, agreed requirements you must endorse, is that when you come to Canada as a cleaner, you must remain as a cleaner till the, what is it called, till the agreed period. If it is 10 years, you must remain as a cleaner. If it's 5 years, I think 10 years is the maximum anyway. If it's 5 years, you must remain, even when you get a better offer, because you are now already in Canada. Because one of the problems that people face when you go with this, you know, now you have seen a position that can land you in Canada, give you a resident permit. It's so easy for you to say yes, so I want to take it, I want to take it. I'm going to open the website for you to see, but let me just explain what you are expected to know and face. As a matter of fact, it's easier to say yes, I want this. It's not just to go to Canada, I want it, anything. No, when you go to Canada, get there and you see a lot of beautiful opportunities. This is where the problem comes, because you see people now that want to go and start filing for change of contract, change of sponsorship and all of that, because okay, housekeeping is not, anyhow we want to accept it, it's not a very beautiful job to do. Because of course I have worked in a hotel before, because it entails you using some chemicals to clean the room, clean the toilet and all of that. I used to have a friend, one of my friends then, in the hotel where I worked. His palm became really strong because of the chemicals he was using to clean toilets, clean everything, and it's a 5-star hotel for that matter. So because of these reasons, some people get to the country after signing the agreements and they are trying to switch. So this one is a no-no. If you sign that you are coming to Canada as a housekeeper, laundry, cook and all of that, if the agreement is 10 years, you have to remain there as a cleaner, as a cook for 10 years. It does not matter the company who is offering you more. No, this is one of the agreements you have to sign. As easy as it's sounding now, because you are still in your country, is not really like that. When you have crossed over, seeing opportunities coming here and there, I can tell. I remember when me myself anyways, I relocated through hotel as a security personnel. If you don't know, yes, they sponsored me and all of that. So when I got there, oh my goodness, it was not easy. See opportunities coming from left side and center. They were offering me, even when sometimes I sneak out to go for an interview and they will call me back. You cannot go, you signed an agreement. So you understand. Now if you want to go, these opportunities are available, and you have agreed to sign, because there is no, government is not going to release you in some cases anyways, because I have seen some people that after filing, using lawyer and all of that, they were able to breach the contract. They were able. But when you are dealing with a very strong company, maybe owned by a very strong person, just have it at the back of your mind that you may not breach the contract, as in most cases they may send you back. to your country. If you are going there as a cleaner, please be calm, forget every other offers you may be getting, complete your duration, then you can transfer, change sponsorship. Okay, so I am going to be opening the website for you to see things yourself and how you are going to, where to apply. And some of the companies they just want you to drop your CV. They just drop the email. So it's a very great opportunity for you who want to relocate to Canada. Before I will show you this, if this is your first time here and you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscription button because it is free. This would only allow you to always have me each time I upload a new video. Here I make various content about relocation because I go out to bring information that would benefit you and your dependent, because I always like to bring information that would benefit people who want to travel with your dependent, because I understand that in most cases it's not just about traveling, it's about like trying to relocate to another country. So in this place I bring as often as possible these informations that would benefit you and your dependent to relocate. So please subscribe to my channel and remain here. Sometimes also I help people to apply, because reading comments I have realized that a lot of people don't know how to go about this application, and some people they are so busy they don't know how to, they don't have time to start application. If this is you and you need an extra help, please let me read it on the comment section. But if I have to apply for you, this one is business, I charge. Okay, on the link of this video I have dropped my email where you can get me, or my Instagram account where you can send me a direct message so that we can get started. So watch these videos and pray. Like I always say, when you drop your application, please pray, because yes, prayer goes a long way after work. This is where I'm going to leave you guys today. So subscribe to my channel, start your application. I told you right now, as you can see from the video you just watched, they just posted this vacancies 3 weeks ago, so it's still in demand. People are applying. Seize this moment and apply. You never can tell. Maybe you would be among the lucky ones that they would be selected. The only thing you need to do is just try. Apply where they mention apply, where they say drop your CV. And if I am to advise you, I would advise you not to drop apply to just one company. Like as you can see from the website, there are hotels, other companies that need basically domestic staff. So you can see like 5-6 companies. Please apply as many as possible. Bible will say so here and so here and so here. I'm going to leave you all now, and of course I am coming back with another more detailed information about relocation.